and I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C12. Then I'm going to bring it down just a little bit so it blends into the lighter concealer that I'm going to apply. And that lighter concealer is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm just taking a big fluffy brush just to blend. The first shade that I'm going to go into is from my Lorac Pro palette. And it's just going to be this navy blue shade right here. And it is called Navy. So I'm just taking a dome brush and stamp it into my crease and well above my crease, because when I cut it, I want to make sure that you can see the transition. So taking the same brush, I'm going to soften the edges. What I've learned with doing this wet base technique is that when you blend out your first shade, you kind of want to, instead of going on the outside of it, let me take a clean brush because I don't want to mess up. So instead of going on the outside of it, like up here and then blending the edge, you want to be in here and then blend the edge and soften it just so it won't move. And then when you apply your other shade, it's more clean and not muddy looking. You want to do this very, very soft and lightly, because if you apply pressure, then it can actually give you like a streaky effect in the eyeshadow. That just happened to me earlier today and it was not cute, okay? And then the next shade that I'm going to be going into is from my Amazon palette, and I'm going to take this orange right here and apply it above the blue shade and then blend it out. So I'm just going to pack this on before actually trying to blend it out, and I'm making sure that my colors overlap. Now I'm just going to start moving in circular motions. Since this is my last shade, it's okay for me to go on the outside of it and blend it out, just because, you know, I do want to move it. I want it blown into my eyebrow a little bit. So now going back into that navy blue shade that I use, I'm going to dip my dome brush in there a little bit, and I'm going to blend out that blue, and I'm just going to pat instead of using circular motions. I don't know why, it just seems to work better for me. Then I'm going to take my other brush and dip back into that orange and blend it out again. Okay, so now that I look half crazy, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory to cut my crease. And I'm just taking a flat angle brush to kind of give myself a guideline. Okay, so the orange shade that I'm taking is from my Amazon palette, and it's going to be this orange shade right here. I'm just gonna go back into that navy blue, and I'm gonna now for my inner corner, I'm gonna take this ice shade right here, and then I'm gonna apply this purple shade on top of it. I'm gonna go on top of that with this purple highlight. Everything's so much better. I don't know what it is about this damn purple highlight, but it's like... Taking this NYX glitter and it's in the shade 7. I'm gonna spray it a little bit with... And apply my lashes. So the lashes that I use are from Ardell, and it is in the style 252. For foundation, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC55. Before I go ahead and do my foundation, I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C16 to contour. And I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade and conceal. I'm like almost done. I'm gonna set my face with my Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up my eyes, and I'm gonna take, I'm gonna pack on that blue shade using the same brush that I used on my eyelid. So now I'm gonna go into that orange shade and blend this out. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna use the same highlights that I used from my Revolution palette. Might as well just, you know, go all the way there with it, right? And I am gonna I'm going to use my Lancome in the shade 550 Suede to bronze. To contour, I'm going to be using I'm gonna set that highlight with this shade from my Revolution highlighting palette. My goodness, Fenty Beauty and Revolution combo, y'all, like, it's ridiculous. Okay. I'm gonna set my face and add some more highlight, cause look, go in with this red lip liner and use it for eyeliner. And I'm also gonna go in with the black lower than the red though. I don't wanna really go over the red. I like legit don't know what to do for the lips, but baby. I'm gonna use this NYX liquid suede lipstick. I am feeling it as basically a lip liner. It's like the perfect brown. Lip liner. It's like the perfect brown. This L'Oreal lipstick, and it's in the shade He Think He's So Macho. Oh, I get it, like macho. Okay, I get that. Yes, I really love this lipstick. This is by Maybelline, the Vivid Hot Liqueur, and it's in the shade 66. Too cute. I love the shade, but I feel like it smells like hair grease or something. This is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, because I really legit enjoyed this look. Like, this is bomb. Go ahead and subscribe and join the family. I have a giveaway coming up. I don't know what I want the requirements to be, but I do know that I want to do this giveaway to show you guys that I appreciate the support that I've been given. I just need for you guys to comment in the comment section below, just letting me know that you're interested. Just comment some type of emoji. I don't care what it is. Just post it under there so I can know that people are actually interested in the giveaway. And then after that, I will post a video letting you guys know what you have to do to enter the giveaway. And it's really not gonna be much. And I will see you guys in my next video. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for the 1K. Bye.